Kenny betting time. Dago, it was cool because it was crazy time, you know? That's how it works. We need to be happy about the bonuses. Is it 5x? Okay, maybe not so happy. But if it is 10x already, 20, 25, 35, 37x as well, more than cool. Trust me. Crazy time 7x this time top slot show us. So by this way, please, don't mind about that. Just enjoy the crazy time with the 7x multiplier. Woo! Are you going? I'm in. Crazy time! Load that, everybody. 7x for the crazy, baby! Let's go! Let's go, pips! Intra! And right now, it's the time to choose the flapper, though. Green, blue, yellow team, which one will be yours? Most popular one, blue flopper. 700x is the biggest possible multiplier. $150, 140, and a double and a blue one this time. Let's go. $1,400 blue. Kia. $350 for the blue this time. Let's go. That as well, like, but it happened when it happened. 4,116 winners in total. This time we got this. Rubik's я прикинул просто примерно 200-300 кило, что-то такого. So like Rubik's I just, you know, like throw it like from the random, like 200-300 kilos approx. I don't know. But it's heavy. It's really heavy. Welcome. All the time welcome. Coin flip 15 at this one's, everybody. We got this. As I was promising you, that's how we need to finish it, though. Hello, people. I'm here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Two sides of it. You, baby, can do it. 4 and 7. No case. That is still 15x, right? So 60 and a 105. Did you saw that? Is that a 105x multiplier, everybody? The right side of the coin. I don't know how it was done. Thank you. Back to the wheel. 6,024 of you like who gonna get it. Mr. Rolf.
Peace out.
Peace out.
I'm glad to see you. The dude knows how to flip the coin. Finally somebody, right? So yeah, glad to see you all. My name is Rolf and I will be the one. Why you have a wet hand, Marco? What's going on? What's going on?
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.